Sounds of live fire despite the white flag being raised. Tens of people have been injured. 2 people have been killed on board the ship which holds 600 activists.
إذا هناك شهيدان على متن سفينة مرمرة المتجهة التي ما زالت تتجه إلى قطاع غزة رغم عمليات الإنزال ما زالت متجهة إلى قطاع غزة. المتضامنون رفعوا
şu an gerçek mermi الجهات المعنية لا ندري من هي الجهات المعنية ولكن نطلب بالتحرك العاجل لحماية هؤلاء المدنيين.
İnsanlık bu yanlışı temizlemek zorundadır. Lütfen sesimizi duyan herkes önce Filistinlilere sonra bu gemidekilere saplanan
متن هذه السفينة يطلقون النار.
var, kadınlar var, yaşlılar var, çocuklar var. Sadece barış amaçlı.
سفينة مرمرة إضافة إلى الزوارق التي تحاول تسلق
where 600 civilians have been trying to deliver aid to Gaza. Live munition has been ahead. We think he may die if he does not receive medical treatment immediately. Another person being taken past in front of me right now has been seriously injured. International waters, not Israeli waters, not in the 68-mile exclusion zone. We are being attacked in international waters. All I have seen with my eyes have been injured. We've seen them, doctors trying to work to heal the injured. The ship remains in international water. The ship remains in. They are telling me now that they are raising a white flag. They are raising a white flag to the Israeli army. This is after one person has been killed.
Important announcement, one more time. All the brothers on all the decks, we have lost